Hello guys, today we're looking at the Leetcode 345 reverse vowels of a string. Write a function that takes a string as input and reverse only the vowels of a string. Input hello, so vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So E and O gets reversed. In Leetcode, we reverse the E right here, and then we reverse the E and O, so the output should be here. The vowels does not include the letter Y. Yes, the vowels are only A, I, O, U. So basically the idea is that you're going from left, you're basically just kind of reverse the vowels. So if alphabet is a known vowel, you just skip it and go to the next one. So the technique we are going to use, I think it's called two pointers. So basically the idea is to scan from have two pointers, one at the index position 0, one at the last index position, and kind of like going back, going from outer to the inside. And if the index is a non-vowel number, we just skip it. If it's until we get both the index are at a vowel number, and we basically just switch it and go to the next one. So yeah, basically two pointers, non-vowel number, skip it until both pointers are pointing at vowel numbers, and we swap it. Okay, yeah, that's the basic idea of the solution. Let's code it up. Okay. So in order to like switch or swap the alphabets, we just convert the string into a list, so we can implement that operation. Okay, list s, and let's see, yeah, let's just call it list. Okay. And we have two pointers, I and j, and it's starting at 0 and length of s -1. Yeah, starting from here and the last element. And so while I is less than j, we check. So if list at index position I is not in okay. A, E, I, O, U or A, E, I, O, U, then we just skip it, basically I plus 1.